Welcome back to Top Moments TV today. Get ready because we are bringing you some intense moments and tech adventures that are not for the faint of heart. Dangerous things are waiting ahead. Buckle up and jump right in. The Battle of the Giants has begun. The 5K701, with its powerful diesel engine and chassis built to conquer any terrain, goes head-to-head with John Deere, the legend of the agricultural industry, known for its reliability and outstanding performance. Witness the breathtaking scene when the mighty man tractor, a symbol of strength and endurance, succumbed to the infamous slope of death.
Hey, xin chào tất cả quý bạn và các vị đã quay leo đèo. Ở video này thì các bạn cùng mình trải nghiệm tiếp tục có hai bác đầu kéo hỗ trợ phía trước, hai chiếc hổ lệch các bạn ơi. Và phía sau thì có man một chiếc Iveco, cả ba chiếc đan gió này các bạn này. Theo mình được biết thì ống trụ điện gió này có trọng lượng khoảng 97 tấn. Mỗi một ống trụ điện thì nó có cái trọng lượng nó khác nhau các bạn nhé. Đó, hệ thống mọc thủy lực 18 trục, rất nhiều những đoạn cong cua và ngoặt liên tục.
Colorful Jamaican trucks gliding down the winding roads, hugging the green hills of Mount Rosser. Powerful engines, sharp brakes, honking horns. Witness the incredible power of the Volvo VM tanker as it bravely drags the giant, broken-down Scania, crushing every bush in its path. A breathtaking display of muscle power and resilience.
Essa subiu.
Đường rất xinh nha các bạn. Bánh xe ngập như là ngập gần nửa bánh xe rồi các bạn. Bắt đầu xuống dốc nha các bạn.
Get ready for an exciting day for heavy-duty truck enthusiasts. The 2022 Mayberry Truck Show will take place on October 1st, 2022 in Mount. Breathtaking journey on challenging roads. Follow giant trucks through rugged terrain to transport the white gold of the Delta. Experience the ultimate excitement at Cine Truck Show 2023, Uit Tacht. Witness the mighty parade of giant trucks, roaring engines, and breathtaking performances. Witness the spectacular performance of the legendary Praga 5 3S, a one-time war machine, now back stronger than ever. After a challenging gearbox replacement and meticulous engine tuning, the V3S is ready to conquer any terrain. High Van Pass, where death calls the indomitable machines. Witness the horrifying scene when even the most powerful mechanical vehicles collapse on this cruel slope.
Bác Tài sắp vượt qua được khúc cua này rồi. Kết thúc khúc này thì bác Tài sẽ tiếp tục phải đổ đèo các bạn ạ. Đây là lên đến đỉnh rồi. Đây mới là vị trí trên đỉnh đèo và tiếp tục cuộc hành trình đổ đèo của chiếc xe này các bạn nhé.
The two iron monsters crashed into each other with terrifying force. The deafening sound of the collision tore through the silence. The front of both trucks were deformed, crumpled like crumpled paper. The windshield shattered, debris flying everywhere.
Đây nha, bên kia có một xe nhé.
The roar of engines, clouds of smoke, tense silence cut by the roar of engines. In the arena is the legendary Kirovet's K700, a steel giant whose power knows no bounds. Pure power versus massive weight. Witness powerful tractors crush the resistance of heavy trucks.
See, it'll tip soon. Well, it'll.
Witness the breathtaking moment a giant bulldozer skids and plunges into a deep abyss. Can it escape the jaws of death? Witness the breathtaking moment a giant bulldozer skids and plunges into a deep abyss. Can it escape the jaws of death?
Kentucky, and big tractors and discs are on the move, working up cornstalk ground machines and one 600-horsepower AGCO Challenger MT8C5E track tractor. As this fleet of high-horsepower tractors and running at about 6 inches in the ground between 7 and 8 miles per hour.
Witnessing a master tractor driver reverse on the highway with a dolly trailer attached behind is a spectacular performance. Witness the brute force and absolute precision as a giant excavator is deftly maneuvered, slowly advancing onto a low-floor trailer. The huge trucks, roaring like steel monsters, were struggling up the steep slope. Each wheel crushed the road, straining to bear the terrible weight of the goods. Get ready for an adrenaline-pumping challenge in the AMA Company entrance exam. Experience the thrilling ride of Pa Chan's powerful single-gear oil tanker truck on March 29th, 2018.
รับหมดครับตอนนี้สอบทุกวันอังคารกับวันศุกร์ขวาผ่านแล้วก็แทงซ้ายครับ
Relive the epic moments of Truckstar Festival 2020. This film captures the incredible journey of the massive trucks as they roll away from the event. Thank you for watching my video. If you like these eye-catching scenes, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next exciting content. See you in more exciting videos about dramatic off-road vehicles.